As Congar Law Limited Company, we are committed to maintaining transparency regarding current legal developments. In this regard, the General Directorate of Maritime Affairs has recently amended the relevant legislation. The General Directorate of Maritime Affairs, or GDMA in Turkey, plays a critical role in overseeing and regulating the maritime industry within the country. As a governmental body, they are responsible for ensuring the safety of navigation, the prevention of marine pollution, and the overall efficiency of maritime activities. The GDMA holds a significant position in shaping maritime policies and regulations that align with international standards and best practices. The recent updates regarding P&IInsurance regulations for Turkish ports represent a key example of their proactive approach to enhancing maritime safety and security. The GDMA's dedication to these updates highlights their commitment to maintaining a secure and sustainable maritime environment for all stakeholders involved. Their effort to provide clear guidelines and regulations fosters transparency and facilitates compliance within the industry, benefiting both domestic and international maritime operators. By actively addressing potential risks and implementing measures to mitigate them, the GDMA effectively contributes to the growth and development of Turkey's maritime sector. The GDMA recently announced updates to the P&I, or Protection and Indemnity, insurance regulations for vessels operating within Turkish ports and territorial waters. These regulations are designed to strengthen the financial security framework within the Turkish maritime domain. The updated regulations mandate that all vessels, irrespective of their flag state, must possess valid P&I insurance coverage from a reputable provider. This coverage must adequately address potential liabilities arising from maritime incidents such as collisions, groundings, pollution, and crew-related claims. The updated regulations emphasize the importance of financial guarantees for covering potential liabilities. This proactive approach ensures that adequate resources are available to address claims and compensate affected parties in the unfortunate event of a maritime incident. By mandating robust P&I insurance coverage, the GDMA aims to mitigate the financial impact of such incidents on the Turkish maritime industry and the environment. Central to the updated P&I insurance regulations is the mandatory registration within the Port Management Information System, or LYBS. This digital platform serves as a comprehensive database for vessel information, facilitating efficient monitoring and management of maritime activities within Turkish waters. To successfully register in LYBS, vessel operators must provide a range of essential documents including a valid P&I insurance certificate, class certificate, and other relevant vessel particulars. The registration process involves a meticulous review of the submitted documents to ensure authenticity and compliance with the stipulated requirements. The LYBS platform plays a critical role in enhancing maritime security and transparency within Turkish waters. Through this system, the GDMA can effectively monitor vessels operating within its jurisdiction, verify insurance coverage, and ensure compliance with safety and security regulations. The digital nature of LYBS streamlines information sharing and communication between relevant authorities, facilitating swift action when necessary. Non-compliance with the updated P&I insurance regulations and LYBS registration carries significant consequences. Vessels found to be operating without valid insurance or failing to register in LYBS may face a range of penalties. These penalties can include substantial fines, detention of the vessel, and even denial of entry into Turkish ports. It is imperative for all vessel operators calling at Turkish ports to prioritize compliance with these regulations to avoid disruptions to their operations and potential financial losses. Adhering to these regulations not only ensures smooth and uninterrupted maritime operations, but also contributes to a safer and more secure maritime environment in Turkey. By upholding these standards, the Turkish maritime industry reinforces its commitment to international best practices, attracting reputable ship owners and operators, and bolstering its position as a key player in the global maritime landscape. The emphasis on compliance ultimately fosters a culture of safety and responsibility within the industry, benefiting all stakeholders and safeguarding the marine environment.